Going for a ride is so much fun, but you'll need your seatbelt on. When you go out on your big drive, put your seatbelt on. When you first jump into the car, if you want to travel far, make sure that you buckle up, then the ride can start. Now that you've got your seatbelt on, you'll be safe as you ride along. So if the car comes to